Alrighty, everyone, let's make some green bean, air fried green beans. So this is just a test run, so I don't even know how they're going to turn out. So I took 2 cans of whole green beans, some oven fry, extra crispy, like I like to cook my pork in. I took 1 egg and put in here the 2 cans of green beans and the oven fry, and I mixed it all up. I'm going to add to my air fryer. I'm going to cook it I think I'll do it 400 for 4 minutes and stop it and see what that does. So let's see what this does, and just hang in there with me because it's trial and error. We're going to play with this thing till we make some good recipes. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is some good. I'm going to add some more Parmesan to it. Zap it for maybe 3 more minutes. I think this is a good side or just a good snack on the side. Whatever you want to do, because I plan on taking this and dipping it in some ranch. Good, good, good. And it's fixing to come right into my belly. And this is the finished product. Once again, looks real crispy and good. This would make a good side dish also. Put a lot of Parmesan on it.